Yes, hello guys. I'm Joseph. Today let's have a look on how uh, we can we can use GitHub, how we can clone a project from GitHub and then run it locally on your machine. Once you come to GitHub, you may find a project that you would like to run local on your machine. Um, Let me find for just a project here. Let me find for a project. Uh, just come just come here to repositories. It's where you can find the projects. So once you scroll down, I would like to clone this app and I run it just locally on the machine on my computer from a GitHub account. So here is the quiz app. Here is the code. It's React. Let's dive in it right away. Before we get started, just hit that like button and then subscribe if you haven't. And come here and search for a built-in terminal. Just type CMD and then press enter. Then you can type cd desktop, and then from that, just now we are on the desktop. So just make a directory clone, or you can type my clone. Let's say GitHub clone. GitHub clone. Yeah. For that, we see that it has been created here. So let's make cd into this, copy cd into this. If this is hard for you, just go to the desktop and create a new file, and then name it GitHub clone. Then from that, just make a cd into GitHub clone. For that, just type git clone. You should have Git installed on your machine. If you don't have Git installed on your machine, it will be a problem. But you should go to GitHub. Just say download GitHub. To download the installer package, then you will be able to install it and then run that command to clone the project. So for this case, you need to download. Just click this and it will be downloaded. So for that, once you have finished downloading this, you should press and then install, and then you need to install it on your machine. Once you're done with the installation, this may come with that, but once you're done, just run this git clone. Let's get this link here. Copy this, or you can copy it direct from here. and then from that you can press git clone, paste this, and then press enter. We see that it's cloning the project right to your machine. It's even done. It takes no time. Once you open, you see that the project is already cloned. Simple quiz app. So from that, if you have VS Code installed, just open your VS Code. Just open your VS Code. And let me open this. Let me drag this. Let me just drag this and drop it here within VS Code. So we are done from cloning the project from GitHub. Now let's run this project locally on the machine. Let's run it locally on the machine. You'll just click here, open new terminal. To open your terminal, then from that, we said that the project was created with yarn. You can run yarn or yarn install if you wish. Otherwise, if you have npm installed and you don't have yarn, you can still run npm install. You can still run npm install, still it will install the packages. So run yarn install and then press enter. It will take some time installing the node modules plus the required dependencies. Let's wait for some few minutes till it finishes. Yes, guys, it's done installing. Now let's try to see whether it can start. If you're using npm, just run npm start, and if you're using yarn, just run yarn start to start the project. We see that the project is now starting, and we want to see whether it can start running. Let's try to see whether the project can run. We have just cloned it just straight away from GitHub. So we cloned it locally on the machine, and we wanna see whether it runs on the computer. And in other words, you can do some changes if you wish. You can edit this project. Once you open the project, you see that you can even edit this project. Yes, successfully the project has been started. Just hit that like button. Don't be selfish. Just hit that like button, and then so that you can give other people an opportunity of seeing this, and they also get this knowledge of how they can run projects from GitHub. So see now whether the project works. We see that we have it's a React app that we have cloned. What's the capital city of America? Washington. That's the capital city of Uganda. Kampala. The capital city of Kenya. Nairobi. Capital city of China. Yes, the project works. Yo, that's awesome. So thanks for watching. See you right in the next one.